Hello everyone, and it's day 47 of this Unity game development journal. It's been a while since I made a video. Work got the better of me, and I decided to once again do some learning, research, and contemplating on what I should be doing with the game. And through this little time off, I've come up with a really good game plan for moving quite quickly forward in the next few weeks. So let me just show you what I worked on today. Um, what I have here is a basic beginning of a UI. So there's going to be a life bar up here, the basic mechanical movement here. We're using the keyboard. Um, an action bar down here, just saying what Rem has done, what the player has done. This will be the quest dialog up here, meaning what you have to do currently to move forward within the quest. Then I have your basic toolbar up here for your bombs, currency, and keys. And then your active weapon is up here. There's a bar on the side here for your inventory, as well as this right side will have a panel for reading signs, books, letters, and things. All the dialogue will show up there. Along the bottom, there is a dialogue for the, let's just see here, the quest, keep binding. Looks like it's gone. There was a dialogue one. I don't know if I deleted that or not. Anyways, there was a dialogue thing down here as well. So I'm just going to go in and show you what's going on here. So I got that UI. I got a little background here with some stuff going on. Got some background music. I have the a little basic menu that's going to change. Let's turn the music way down here. Way down. Okay, and then we have the Rem character running around. UI, just testing this out. This is quick on this today, just testing out some of the fonts and things. But one thing I want to show you that's really cool, so basic collision, basic tile map thing. I redesigned the entire tile map, and I have animated map. So I have this waterfall here that's completely animated, and this was a test to see if I could do it, and which means I can do a lot more things. I can animate little flowers, I can animate the leaves, I can animate a bunch of stuff to make the world look more realistic, which is going to be awesome. Let's take a look at this scene here and zoom out. I just want to show you, how do I do this again? I've been using my, what button is this? How come I cannot zoom? There. Oh my gosh. What the heck is going on here? There we go. It wasn't letting me do it. Okay. So I'm just going to show you, there's the waterfalls going, but this is the size of the map now. I've increased the map by like 4 times what I had before. I really wanted to see if I can push the boundaries of what I could bring in without it lagging. And this is the largest I wanted to actually develop. It took me a long time to actually do this. So I have my little town over here. So a bunch of structures with the main road, little shops and things. And then I get into the forest, and I really wanted to try and do a forest like you would see in an open world game where you're running between the trees and things, and we'll have some shadows and maybe fog in the future, who knows. But not too many structures in this area. It's mainly a forest area that you can go and discover some things, run into some bad guys and stuff like that. So yeah, that's where it's at right now. The character is quite small. There it is right there. So you can see how big this world is. And this is just one level in about 5 different levels. There's 5 zones in this game. So this is just one of them. There's a lot of exploring that can take place. So it's going to be quite a big game in regards to the amount of area that you can explore. So really excited, got that done. Just basic things. I'm going to start working on the quests, finishing that up. I'm going to start working on finishing up enemies and combat. collectibles inventory, all these things. I'm just going to start throwing them all together. I've been doing a ton of research on that. I have a really good game plan on how I'm going to tackle it. I'm really happy with how the map's coming along. I got the animated map. I can design a large map with ease. I can make changes quickly. Collision all works. I'm actually going to start looking at water effects, so walking through water and having it splash, as well as it actually pushes you with a current, which is going to be really cool. I'm going to have wind effects, a whole bunch of stuff. So stay tuned. I'm going to end the video here, but this is just a recap of everything I've done today. I did take a lot of time off, but it allowed me to reflect on what I'm doing, learn a bunch of new stuff, and I'm coming back at it pretty quick here with a whole bunch of new things added to the game. Really, really excited. And by the way, the story is pretty well complete. Their first draft is done. All the quests are being laid out and they're pretty much done. Then we'll move on to final dialogue. So the story is amazing for this game. It's it's a huge story. It's not short by any means. It's going to take a long time to complete the game, so it's really exciting there. But if you want to follow along with the full development of this game, subscribe to this channel and drop a like if you like the look of this new map, and leave a comment if you have any questions. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.